Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be looking at VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Sure you are using VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP side by side. However, if you're still struggling with XLOOKUP or you are only using VLOOKUP, now it's time for your upgrade. XLOOKUP here is to make your life a little easier, faster, and way more efficient. So let's quickly break it down. VLOOKUP has been around for ages, but it has some serious limitation. It can only look up values from left to right and need a column index number and breaks if column move. Other hand, XLOOKUP is flexible. It works in any direction, doesn't need column numbers, and even lets you handle missing value within the formula. You don't need to use any other formula, combine and then written the missing value or specifically define the missing value. So let's quickly compare side by side. I have this table available with me. I have desktop sales, product, customer, employee, and locations table. We'll quickly take a look at VLOOKUP first and then we will move to XLOOKUP. I'll list the column as product name. Here we'll be using VLOOKUP. So let's get started. I'll type the formula. VLOOKUP, I have a unique value, that is lookup value. And now table array, I'll go to the product table, I'll select product and I want return value as product names, comma 2, comma 0. I have list of all the products now, and if you look, I have an error which says the value is not available. That means the product IDs which I have, these doesn't have product name next to it and it is returning as NA. To fix that, we have to add another formula. We can use if NA, and if you want the field to written as blank if the value is missing, in that case, else I want to define not found. I'll enter the description in double quotes and close. Now we have added that value. Let's take same example with XLOOKUP. I'll give header name as product name 1 and use XLOOKUP equal to XLOOKUP lookup value. I'll go to the product. Now it is asking for lookup array, so I'll give the complete header and then return array. Now this is where it gets interesting. If you look at the formula, it is asking you if return value is not found. If not found, what should be the written value? For an example, in our VLOOKUP, when we use if NA, we added one description not found. So I can do the same here, not found in double quotes, comma, for exact match I'll give 0 and close parentheses. I'll hit enter. Now if you look at, we found the same details within the formula. We didn't have to add any formula or combine multiple formulas to return the value. So this is best part of XLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, we had to combine two formulas to return this value. I hope this was helpful. For more video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.